DBDRIVE presents the WDX JP Jeep Series speakers. Each speaker is designed with a certain location in mind, so whether it's the dash, kick panels, or the soundbar, we've got the right speaker for you. Made in a few different trim levels, just depending on your sound goals. In the 3.5 inch size, we have a mid-range, the WDX 35MR, and a two-way, the WDX 35. In the bigger 6.5 inch, we have a component set, the WDX 65C, that comes with two mids and two tweeters. And then we also have a two-way available, the WDX 65, with a tweeter built right in. Then our newest additions with a Neo magnet would be the WDX 4MR, a mid-range, and the WDX 4, a Neo powered two-way. All of these speakers utilize a Pro Audio style high sensitivity cone for super high volume and clarity, Jeep specific mounting tabs, as well as an OEM direct plug and play harness. And for those who prefer a little bit more low-end response, we also offer the WDX AS10 powered subwoofer, perfect for stashing right under the front seat. So now that you got the full scoop, head on down to your local dealer, get advised on the right size for your ride, or you can check out our website, dbdrive.net.